Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a restore point in Windows XP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to select where it says All Programs, and then select Accessories, and then on the right side, go down and select System Tools, and then select System Restore. So at this point where it says create a restore point, if you want to go ahead and create one, select that option and then select next. Now you can name this restore point whatever you want. Normally the date that you're making the restore point might be a good suggestion here, or before you do or install an application. You can just insert that here. And you're going to select create. And you can see the new restore point date and time here, and select close. It has been created. And if you ever want to restore your computer back to that restore point, select start, all programs, accessories, system tools, and then go underneath system restore. Select the option where it says restore my computer to an earlier time, select next, and then you can select the restore point that was created from the list here. So pretty straightforward process, and then you just select next and then proceed with the restore of your computer. And you would select next one more time, and that'd be pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.